beyblade 443 here, and I'm going to be showing you one of my beys. Plus, I'm going to be doing after I show you the bey and do the match with the bey, I'm going to be doing a little bonus all around. And the bey I'll be showing you today is Hercule. He is an attack type, and this is how he spins all over the place. And his opponent today is Thunder Leon. He's pretty much out of streak already. He's not going to get any good hits. I use it there, maybe. Well, he put up a good fight, but now it's time for the bonus match. And the bonus match is going to be, well, if you watch the Beyblade the show, this is the most intense battle. Genius Paces, Galaxy Paces versus Ryuga's Lightning El Drago. So, here we go. So Drago winning by barely. So like 443 out, like, comment, subscribe, check out my other videos.